Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this whole video will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous videos, but I talked about this pattern right here where you had the $12, and let's just adjust this down to the $12 mark now or make it easy numbers to remember. $12 being that area of support, and then you had this resistance trend line being the key battleground point. And wouldn't you know it, all these levels were, respected today, including this morning. Price did try to get the breakout right there, but you can see that ultimately speaking, the bulls just didn't have enough power to keep up with the momentum, and then the price got rejected back down. The good news, though, is that, sure, it got rejected back down, but like I said, came down to right around that $12 area and did a good job of respecting it, and then just consolidated sideways, as opposed to, what a train wreck day would have been, getting rejected up there and then coming down to that area and then just continuing on down. At that point, that would be a very ugly, a very nasty looking chart headed into the weekend. But again, that's not what happened. So it was good to see, annoying, yes, that the price got rejected by that trend line, but it could have been a whole lot worse had the price, broken down through that area. So I suppose kind of looking at the glasses being half full here. Now, if the price does make any sort of recovery, nothing new to report. It's still all about that resistance trend line and can the price actually get through it, because now we have, 3 instances of this area just being very, very stubborn. And then, of course, $12 remains that main area of support. So, for those of you that watched the previous video, I realize I'm talking about the same levels again, but again, we do have that additional context now of the price respecting both those areas today. So we'll see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.